It's time for the Intense 5. Let's see what made the list. Wildfires in Maui. The destruction is unbelievable. So many lives lost. Oh goodness. Lizzo gonna have it rough going forward. The star has been dropped from the list of proposed performers for the next Super Bowl halftime show. Boy, unfortunate, but so it go. Passengers on a delayed flight from the Bahamas got treated to an impromptu performance by the king of the dancehall recently. Of course, in true Beanie Man style, he had them singing along. So, Tory Lanez is basically in isolation because of who he is. He's only allowed 120 minutes outside of his cell, and during that time, he's not allowed to speak to anyone. Wow, like he will, however, be moved soon to another facility. And finally holding the spot this week, Malidon, TJ and Massacre must be thanking God after a scare on a flight out of Guyana. The plane they were on lost an engine and smoke started to fill the cabin. Luckily, the plane landed safely and they're all fine. Jaja, give thanks and praise. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG for more in entertainment.